La Reserva residences in Barangay Reserva BALER Aurora will open soon. Make it your home. Envision a coastal masterpiece where Spanish Mediterranean homes stand as epitomes of refined, luxury living with earthened, colored terracotta roof glistening in the sun and a whitewashed wall, bearing the patina of time. Each residence display a genuine timeless elegance. With panoramic ocean's views for its backdrop, the beach clubhouse is a perfect place to view the sunset or sip cocktails as you enjoy tranquil escape into coastal luxury. Indulge in a choice of swimming, pools, or the beckoning beach just steps away. Unwind, relax, and enjoy. With its charming Spanish colonial architecture, adorned with intricate details and vibrant hues, the community clubhouse exudes an inviting warmth that beckons residents and guests alike. Stepping inside, one greeted by spacious interiors, modern comforts seamlessly blend with timeless elegance. Advantage of living by the sea. Stunning views, relaxation and serenity, recreation opportunities, health benefits, fresh seafoods, property values, appreciation, inspiration and creativity, escape from urban centers. Good quality of life and unlimited negative ions which boost our serotonin to boost our energy level that makes us in a very good mood always. La Reserva Residences, the first ever master-planned project of Lucia developer in Aurora province that aims to provide families with a different kind of quality residential, commercial, and leisure experiences. For more details, call text me at 0.0969081635, email me at .estonilerlinda@yahoo.com. God bless and mabuhay.